Under the Enrichment tab, you can perform geneset enrichment analysis. This is based on a large database of publicly available genesets. In order to start the analysis, you go first to the contrast scroll-down menu and select the contrast that you want to look at. Next, you can also select the geneset collection that you want to compare it against. So you can go for either all of them or for a specific one, such as aging. Finally, you can set the FDR and log change threshold values in order to make your analysis more or less stringent. On the right hand side, you will see the outputs of your selection. There are 5 tabs on top. The first tab shows you the enrichment plots of the top differentially enriched genesets, both positively and negatively correlated. Then in the plots tab, you can see various enrichment plots associated with the geneset that you can select from the table below. In the next tab, you can see the enrichment plots across multiple contrasts for a geneset that you can select from this table here. Then you also have a Volcano plots for all the contrasts, and finally in the expert version of the platform only, you also get to see Volcano plots for all the methods. Underneath that, you have various tables. As I mentioned before, there is an enrichment analysis table that shows you all the genesets and the statistics and their relevant statistics. And I want to draw your attention again to the star system, because even in this case we don't rely on a single statistical method for our analysis. In the basic version of the platform, we perform the analysis using the intersection of 3 different methods. And if you go to the options link here, you can actually select additional or different methods to perform your analysis. To the right of this table, there is a list of the genes contained within the geneset that you select from this table. So if we go for the second one, we'll get a different list of genes. Next, we have a table that summarizes the enrichment for all the genesets across all the contrasts. And finally, in the expert version of the platform only, we also have an FDR table. This shows you for each of the method and each of the contrasts the number of significant genesets according to different FDR values.